Okay, I'm making some fettuccine with salmon. I got my heavy whipping cream. I cut up some bell pepper, not bell pepper, yeah, red bell pepper, celery, and garlic. So I'm gonna put some Parmesan cheese in this sauce and put the noodles in there once it's done and put some spinach in it. I got some spinach. Add the spinach. I added some crushed red pepper. Added some crushed red pepper. I think my noodles, my fettuccine noodles, I think they're tender. I tasted them, so we'll be adding that. I got this on low, just letting it cook down. Let me show you. Something I'm just making up. I got more cream. I'll add that. Probably need a little bit more cream. Okay, we'll add our noodles, fettuccine noodles. And excuse my house because it's not as tight as it should be. I got garlic in here, like I said, celery, and red bell peppers, spinach, Parmesan cheese. I'm going to have to put some more Parmesan cheese. All right, let that, let me put a little bit more black pepper. Okay, and disregard that TV noise in the back. I got the TV in the background. I hadn't went back there and turned it off. But I'm cutting up a little bit more grated cheese. And I'm going to add my salmon on top, and this will be dinner. I'm grating this cheese. Okay. Here's my salmon. Let me let you see it. I baked this salmon in the oven. And I'm going to sit it just right on top. I got lemon on it. Lemon pepper seasoning. What is that? Some Miss Dash garlic and herb seasoning. A little slap your mama on there. So, let's do this. Make sure you can see. I need to turn some lights on. Why am I trying to record a video in the dark? Sorry about that, you guys. You can see better now. There's the salmon again. I didn't realize I was cooking in the dark. It's snowing outside, you guys, and I just wanted to have something to eat. So what we're gonna do? That's why you leave the skin on your salmon and stick it like that. Okay. So there it is. Okay, here is my linguine Alfredo pasta with salmon. It's salmon with linguine in a garlic Alfredo sauce that I made homemade. Basically just heavy whipping cream, garlic, fresh garlic, and Parmesan cheese. That's how I make my Alfredo sauce, and of course not a stick of butter, like 2 tablespoons of butter. I added some more Parmesan cheese. It looks so delicious. Can't wait to dig in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Just something I wanted to throw together on this cold, wintry day. Let me show you outside all the snow. Look at all the snow outside. I'm not going out there, you guys, but I'll just show you. Woo. So much snow.